Soak it in. This is Sugar Beach. You are right by Petit Piton, one of the two magical peaks here in St. Lucia. And look where we're entering. This is the Rainforest Spa. And it is a very unique spa. I can literally smell the lemongrass already. And this was all handcrafted by St. Lucian craftsmen in some very, very traditional forms of West Indian architecture. Now, you may have noticed it's gotten a little dark, but that is intentional. It's to calm you down. It's to prepare you to enter, sort of inspired by the birth process. So here it is. You're being prepared to go in and do your treatment, whatever you choose to do. And then when we get in to the heart of the spa, you will see what makes this spa, the Rainforest Spa here at Sugar Beach, a Viceroy Resort, so special. And I'll just hint at it. It's because it's one of very few spas that sits directly in the rainforest. Here you're getting a glimpse of that. And we are about to be immersed in the St. Lucian rainforest here in Soufrière. There are quite a few treatment rooms here, and I want to just be very careful not to catch a glimpse of any of the clients. It's always a very important part of the operation. But here we are, entering the treatment area of the Rainforest Spa. Hello.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fabulous. Yourself?
Thank you. Very good. And as we continue around, you will see a number of the treatment rooms. There you go. Please read the sign. Quiet area. Welcome to the Rainforest Walk. I'll give you just a moment to take it all in. Look at that. They're like little mini tree houses. And I have to take you this way because this is actually quite a highlight of the spa. Look at that. Isn't that unusual? Love it. Sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath. I'm just excited. And of course I am using my spa voice. Oh, see? A river runs through it. And I'm actually not going to go up to that unit up there because I know that that's one of the couples facilities which has its very own pool which is naturally heated. This is such a unique spa, and I know you're not getting the full effect, but I'm hoping you're getting at least half of it. That's a canopy of the rainforest here. There's a better view here as we head out. All right. And so we're going back up. And of course, there are lots of different massages that you can get. And there are a variety of treatments as well for the entire body, for the skin. I like that. This one is called Cordia. Very nice. I'm walking on my tippy toes. Loving this though. I'm just happy we haven't seen anybody. They're inside doing their treatments. Okay, we're not going that way. And we head up this way. And then we get through these walls. We get up to the steam room. How magical this is. That's a nice little lounge area over there. Perfect if you just want to relax before your treatment. And that is a natural stream, waterfall that you're seeing and hearing. I love that little area. And just for fear that we may intrude on someone, this is the steam room. You enter through that small door, but you can actually stand up when you get inside. That's a look from above of that steam room. Sorry, the glare is a bit much. And so it is that we were prepared for our spa treatment. We put on our robes. We walked into the rainforest. Did our treatment in the room, and then we exit on the other side. So it's like we've gone through a rebirth. And that is the inspiration behind the spa, the Rainforest Spa, here at Sugar Beach, Viceroy Resort at Travel St. Lucia. Let her inspire you.